In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a blog website in Webflow, even if you're a complete beginner. Webflow is one of the most powerful no-code website builders, and using its built-in templates, you can launch a professional-looking blog in just a few minutes. If you want to start a personal blog, a content site, or even a niche authority website, this method is perfect. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Webflow and website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard. From here, click on Sites. This is where all of your Webflow projects live. Next, look for the New Site button and click on it. This will open the site creation options, where Webflow lets you either start from scratch or use a pre-built template. For this tutorial, we're going to use a template because it's the fastest and easiest way to get a blog up and running. Now, click on Templates. You'll see a wide range of professionally designed templates created specifically for different use cases. On the left side, scroll through the categories and click on Blog and Editorial. These templates are designed with blog layouts, post pages, and content structure already built in. Browse through the available blog templates and choose one that fits your style and content goals. Once you've found a template you like, click on Select. After selecting the template, Webflow will prompt you to name your site. Enter a name for your blog. This is just the internal name inside Webflow, and you can always change it later, so don't worry too much about being perfect here. After naming your blog, click on Create Site. Webflow will now generate your new blog website using the selected template. This may take a few seconds. Once it's done, your blog website is ready and opened inside the Webflow Designer. From here, you can start customizing your blog by editing text, changing images, adding blog posts through the CMS, and adjusting the design to match your brand. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog website in Webflow using a template. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tutorials, no-code guides, and website building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.